Vanna. Hi. What are we doing without Hunter around this weekend? We just hanging out, you and me? Hey. Oh, really? You know what? I don't want to go to work today. You want to help me play hooky? Go. Oh, that's not what I want. Go. Yeah. Can you do it? Go. Do it for me. Go. Is that funny? Go. Achoo. Achoo. Yeah. Really? You got all kinds of stories to tell, huh? Oh, yeah. Tell them. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Hi. Oh, goodness. Yeah, good story. Good story. I like it. Boo. Oh, you don't like that? You're like, Mom, what is that? Yeah, you're so sweet. Are you sweet girl? Yeah. Princess Vanna, huh? Princess Vanna. Oh. Such a happy girl. What a happy girl. Happy all the time, huh?